Here are 3 Windows keyboard shortcuts that you didn't know about. Have you ever wanted to record your screen, but you don't want to install some third-party application? Simply hit the keys Windows, Shift, and S together to bring up the snipping tool. Select the video icon, and we're going to click and drag the size of our screen that we want to record. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole screen. Drop down underneath the mic to configure your audio settings and press start. After the countdown, it will record, and once you're satisfied with your screen recording, hit the red stop button. You can either edit in Clipchamp or press this little print icon to save the file directly to your PC. If you have a bunch of applications open and you want to quickly reveal your desktop, there's a simple keybind to do that. Windows key and D together will hide or reveal the desktop. Lastly, I'm going to hit Windows key and S together to bring up the search bar. Type in dynamic lock. We'll hit enter on that setting. And we're going to toggle this to on. To enable this setting, go to your phone and make sure your phone is Bluetooth connected to your PC. Now that my phone is connected, anytime that I walk away from my PC, it will automatically lock and require password access. If you found the video helpful, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel.